If you have four 1.5 volt cells, how can you use them all to make a 3 volt source? The quick answer is that you can hook up and arrange these 4 cells in series and parallel, and you can get a 3 volt source that way. That's the quick answer. Let's draw out how that works. So you may remember that if we take two cells, 2 batteries, and we put them in series, then their voltages add up. Say they're 1 volt each, be 1 volt plus 1 volt equals 2 volts. Now if these batteries are in parallel to one another, okay, set up in a way that looks something like this, and each of them is 1 volt, they don't add up. The voltage that continues to run through the line is still just going to be 1 volt. So, using this knowledge, if we have 4 cells, we can take 2 of them and put them in series, take another 2 of them, put them in series, and then hook up those pairs in parallel so that our source is 3 volts. If we were to draw that out, it would look like this. We have 1 cell and 2 cell, okay, and they're going to be connected in series, like that. Okay, so if they're each 1.5 volts, we'd have 1.5 volts plus 1.5 volts for a total of 3 volts coming from that source for those batteries combined. And drawing another little arm so that they are in parallel, we can attach the other 2 1.5 volt cells. And again, they're going to be added together. And the voltage, if we were to measure it afterwards, I guess measuring the voltage across, let me just draw a little picture. There's a simple resistor for something. But if we were to measure the voltage between A and B, the voltage between A and B would be 3 volts. Because these 2 pairs of cells are in parallel, then their voltages don't add up. It affects the current, but in terms of the voltage, it remains the same. So that's how you would hook up the batteries such that you would get a 3 volt source. You'd hook 2 up in series, another 2 up in series, and then put those pairs in parallel.